Hi, I'm Kay. Shark reached out to me to introduce you to their newest innovation in cleaning, the Shark Steam Scrub. I love the Shark Steam Scrub because it uses powerful steam and rotating pads so I can achieve a deeper clean than I would with traditional mopping. It's also extremely durable, built with a sleek design for easy maneuvering and convenience. To get started, I'm going to show you how to assemble your Shark Steam Scrub. First, insert the pole into the opening found at the top of the body. Then slide the pole down until you hear an audible click. Next, pull down the lid of the water tank. Fill the water tank using the filling flask that comes with your Shark Steam Scrub. Make sure to fill the water tank to the max fill line, then securely close the lid. Before starting a cleaning session, Shark recommends always attaching new cleaning pads to your unit. Your new Shark Steam Scrub includes 2 dirt-gripped soft scrub pads. For additional cleaning pads, head to sharkclean.com to purchase. There are 2 different ways to attach the cleaning pads depending on your preference. You can gently lay the unit on the ground, then align the plastic ring on the 2 pads with the indent on the bottom of the nozzle. Press firmly to secure the pads. Alternatively, you can attach the pads by placing 2 pads on the ground with the plastic ring facing up toward you. Then align the indent on the bottom of the nozzle with the plastic ring and lower the unit down onto the pads to secure the pads. Once the pads are attached, you're ready to start cleaning. Now, more than ever, I want to keep my home clean and free of harmful bacteria. The Shark Steam Scrub offers chemical-free sanitization that removes up to 99.9% of bacteria. All you need is water. With the Shark Steam Scrub, Shark's got your whole home covered. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.